In the name of Allah, the most magnificent, the most merciful. My heartiest greetings to all my viewers. Welcome to another recipe by Cook with Hannah. Everyone want to take hot drinks during winters, and soup is all-time favorite and healthy option as it is caffeine-free. So let's start making all-in-one soup recipe. I am using iron wok for making this soup. You can use any type of cooking utensils. First of all, take a small onion and cut into pieces. Now add chicken. I am adding 250 grams chicken pieces. Add 3 glasses of water. Take chicken with bones for good soup. Add salt. 1 tablespoon of garlic paste. Black pepper powder as per taste. Cook it well until the chicken become tender and everything melt together. Then separate out chicken pieces, shred chicken and discard bones. You can shred chicken by hand or an electric chopper. Now add chopped veggies. I am adding carrot and cabbage. Mix well and let it cook. Also add corn. Cover and cook for 5 minutes. Then add shredded chicken. If you are watching my recipe for first time, please subscribe and follow for more. Add a little water and let it simmer. Add soy sauce or oyster sauce. Salt and pepper testing. Add some more oyster sauce. Mix well. If you reach this section of recipe, accept a special thanks. Give a thumbs up if you like this recipe. It will help me reaching more viewers. Add corn flour slurry to thicken the soup. Beat 2 eggs and pour to the soup. Wait a little and stir slowly for larger egg chunks. Yummy soup is ready to be served. Happy winters. See you soon with another recipe. Take care.